Sorry about that. So here is the box that you get. So they actually lift out. They're in columns of 4. And they all have individual lids, which is perfect. Absolutely perfect, because they are not going to spill over into each other, because as you know, some of them cheaper containers that you get from like Home and Bargains, they can spill over and go underneath where you lift the segments out. So that's perfect. There. Next you get bags to put your bits in as well. So I'm sure there's 50 bags here. You get 2 trays, which are perfect for doing mixes in, like sequin mixes, because you get sort of comes with it as well. So you get a spatula, and you can pop your sequin mix in there and then just pour it straight into the bag. So they're brilliant. And there's a spatula, like I said. These are 3 little trays that you can put your bits in, you know, before you stick them to your project. You have your little trays with your goodies in. These are also product trays as well. Loads of different sizes for you to put in, and that's to hold your tool so it doesn't go missing. To put like your beads in if you're making jewellery, your gems in, your pearls, whatever you're doing with your projects, you can put them in. Then you get some pointed tweezers, another pair of pointed tweezers, and a pair of bent tweezers as well. This is a set of the stick pens where you pick gems up and sequins up, and you get 4 of these. So those are just for your normal, just picking one up at a time. This will pick a row of just trying to get focus, a row of little diamonds up, so you can set them in a row. Don't think it's going to pick up, so that's good. This allows you to pick up 2 at a time, and that's just nothing. It's just the one that you pick up, single one. So you know when you get them annoying little gems, well, they're not annoying, you really like the little gems and you really want to add accents, little accents to your project, but you can't pick them up to glue them on. So you use that with this, and you get absolutely loads of pieces of this. This is what makes the sticking tool stick. So you press this in, and it puts a piece of like sticky clay in it, and that's what helps you to pick your bits up. So that is the last pack. I'm really looking forward to using all of this stuff. It's very kind of them to give me the opportunity. That's the name of the company. It's beebeecrafts. I will link their website below. I will also put all of the links to the products that I've just shown you. I will be coming back with videos, tutorials of what I have actually made using the products. And when I do those videos, I'll also link beebeecrafts in and the products that I'm using in that video. So their website is absolutely awesome, because they do a lot of jewellery stuff as well. They even do crochet stuff, knitting needles, die cutting, stencils, concubine, all sorts of findings for jewellery as well as the glass beads, the clasps. They do loads of DIY kits as well, where it's all, where they've put kits together so you can just make a project with the kit because you've got it all to hand. They also sell all like the jewellery making tools, leather making tools. They sell loads of craft tools. It is a really wonderful site for a lot of different crafts. Right, that is it. Thank you for watching, and I will be back with some project shares. Bye bye.